In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an XML file into Excel. If you need to bring structured data from an XML file into a spreadsheet, Excel makes the process fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and import your file without confusion. To begin, open Excel and go to the top ribbon. Click on Data. This is where Excel keeps most of its tools for bringing in information from outside sources, including files like XML. If you don't usually work in this tab, take a second to notice where it is, because it's the main starting point for importing data. Once you're in the Data tab, click Get Data. This opens the menu that gives you different options for connecting to data from multiple places. Since your file is stored on your computer, the next option you want is the file-based import menu. Now hover over From File. When that submenu appears, click From XML. This tells Excel exactly what type of file you want to import, which helps it read the structure correctly. After that, a file browser window will open. Select the XML file you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same folder. Once you've highlighted the file, click Import. Excel will then read the XML file and show you the available data inside it. At this stage, select the data you want to import. Depending on the file, you may see one item or several sections to choose from. Take a moment here to confirm you're picking the right data set before bringing it into the workbook. When you're ready, click Load at the bottom. Excel will then import the selected XML data into your sheet and place it into a table format, making it easier to view, sort, and work with. If the imported data doesn't look exactly the way you expected, that usually comes down to how the XML file is structured. In many cases, the import still works perfectly, but you may need to review the layout once it appears in Excel. That's all it takes to import an XML file into Excel. Start from the Data tab, choose Get Data, go to From File, select from XML, pick your file, click Import, choose the data you want, and then click Load. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.